Hey everyone, and welcome back to Digital Decoder, the place where we break down all things tech, gadgets, and digital know-how. Today we're focusing on one of the most important aspects of YouTube content creation, audio. Specifically, how to record high-quality audio for your YouTube videos with affordable gear. Whether you're a beginner or looking to improve your sound, this video has you covered. So let's dive right in. Number 1, why audio is important? Now, you might wonder, why is audio so crucial? Well, imagine this. You're watching a video, and the visuals are amazing, but the sound is muffled, echoey, or filled with static. Immediately you'd click away, right? Poor audio quality can kill your engagement and make even the best video content fall flat. Great audio doesn't just improve the viewer experience, it builds trust with your audience. Clear, crisp sound shows you care about your production quality. And the good news? You don't need a high-end studio setup to make that happen. Number 2, choosing the right microphone. So let's talk about microphones, the backbone of any good audio setup. There are two main types of microphones, dynamic and condenser. Dynamic mics are great for capturing sound in noisy environments because they reject background noise. Condenser mics, on the other hand, are more sensitive and pick up every detail, which makes them perfect for controlled settings. If you're just getting started, the Fifine K669B USB microphone is a fantastic budget-friendly option. It offers great sound quality, plug-and-play setup, and you can find it for around $30 to $40. It's ideal for voiceovers, tutorials, and vlogging. For a bit more investment, consider the Audio-Technica ATR2100x, which is around $100. This mic offers both USB and XLR output, so as your channel grows, you can expand your setup. The ATR2100X is known for its clear, professional sound, and it's used by many content creators. Number 3, microphone placement and positioning. You've got your microphone, but the work isn't over yet. Proper microphone placement is key to getting the best sound quality. A general rule of thumb is to keep the mic about 6-8 inches from your mouth. If you're too close, you might get a popping sound from plosives like P and B sounds. If you're too far, your voice can sound hollow or distant. Using a pop filter or windscreen can help reduce those unwanted noises, and it only costs a few bucks. These simple tools can make a huge difference in the clarity of your voice recording. Number 4, acoustic treatment for better sound. Now that we've covered microphones, let's talk about room acoustics. You don't need to turn your room into a soundproof booth, but there are easy ways to improve your room's sound quality. Here's a tip. Avoid recording in rooms with hard, reflective surfaces like tile or large windows, as they cause echoes. Instead, try recording in a smaller carpeted room or one with curtains. If you're on a budget, foam panels are an affordable way to reduce echo and absorb sound. You don't need to cover the entire room. Just a few panels near your microphone setup will make a noticeable difference. If foam panels are too expensive, you can use some creative solutions. Thick blankets or even duvets hung on the walls can work wonders to dampen sound. You'd be surprised at how much of a difference these simple tricks can make. Number 5, reducing background noise. Background noise can be a major issue, especially if you're recording in a busy home or office environment. Start by turning off any noisy devices like fans, air conditioners, or even refrigerators. Try recording at times when your surroundings are quieter. Early mornings or late evenings often work best. If background noise is unavoidable, you can also use software to clean it up in post-production. Free tools like Audacity and GarageBand are excellent for removing background hums or hisses, but the key is to try to minimize it while recording so your post-editing doesn't become overwhelming. Number 6, recording techniques and tips. When you're ready to hit record, take a moment to check your mic levels. Too high and your audio might clip, causing distortion. Too low and your sound might be too quiet. Most recording software has a built-in level meter, so make sure your voice stays in the green zone to ensure clear, undistorted sound. Also, try to speak clearly and at a consistent volume. If you're doing voiceovers, recording in bursts of a few sentences at a time can help you keep your energy and tone steady throughout the video. Number 7, post-production and editing. Now that your audio is recorded, it's time for post-production. As I mentioned earlier, Audacity is a free tool that's perfect for editing audio. One of the first things you'll want to do is reduce background noise using its noise reduction feature. This works great for removing consistent hums or other unwanted sounds. The mini constrictions and its real-time audits, they actually eliminate the post-process of synthesizing, editing, and recording in the first place. You can also use EQ to adjust the bass and treble of your voice. If your voice sounds too flat or tinny, a little adjustment in the EQ settings can bring out the richness and warmth of your tone. Finally, don't forget to normalize your audio. This process adjusts the overall volume level to make sure your sound is balanced and at the right loudness. Number 8, bonus tips for improving audio on a budget. Here are some extra tips to take your audio even further. 1. Use a dead cat windshield for outdoor recordings. If you plan to record audio outside or near wind, this simple accessory helps block wind noise while keeping your sound crisp. 2. Use audio mixing software. If you're looking to take your editing a step further, free software like Reaper or GarageBand gives you additional control over the audio. 3. Consider an audio interface. If you ever upgrade to a more professional mic like a condenser, you'll need an audio interface like the Focusrite Scarlett 2-at-2. It's relatively affordable and helps improve sound quality by providing clean, uncolored audio. And there you have it. With these tips, you can improve the audio quality of your YouTube videos without spending a fortune. From choosing the right mic to setting up your environment and editing your recordings, there are plenty of ways to achieve professional quality sound on a budget. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Digital Decoder for more tech tips, and share this with fellow creators who could use these audio tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you